What's up guys, jtmoffroad here. Just replaced the lock actuator in the last video, which is still today. Next video, which is now, I think we're going to do the canister solenoid. I think that's the name of it. I can't remember. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and check that out. I'm going to plug in my OBD2 scanner real quick, just to make sure that code is still up, which I'm pretty sure it is. Truck doesn't pump gas the way it should. It always shuts off at the pump. So you either have to hold the handle, the trigger down just like a little bit and monitor it or whatever. I don't know. So gonna go ahead and look at that and change that out, and hopefully that'll take care of it. We'll reset the code, see if it comes back, and hopefully it doesn't, and test it out. Actually try to pump the gas and see if the code comes back or not, and if it actually does pump. So I don't know, we'll see. So go ahead and jump in the truck and try out the code, see what code it is. Actually, I have a new one I didn't know about before. Got one with the mass airflow sensor, and the ones from before, the O2 sensor, heater circuit bank 1, sensor 2, and then evaporative emissions system small leak detected. That one should be the canister solenoid. I'll go ahead and tear into this. Just wanted to see if those are still the codes. I have to see what the mass airflow system performance one is. I don't know what that is, if it's just something's wrong with the sensor, if I need to clean it, or what needs to happen. So I'll have to look into that one, but for now we'll focus on the evap one and then go to the O2 sensor after that, probably in the next video, so keep an eye out for that one. Axle, canister solenoid. So there's a couple tabs up there. Pull it off the tabs, take the vent hose off, and take the electrical connector off. So go ahead and get up there and see if we can get that stuff off and try to change it out with the new one. That was a pain. That tab is the one that holds the piece on. You can see that's pretty grody, so if yours is like mine, just make sure you're careful to pull that off, because that metal gets pretty weak, and if you bend it back and forth enough, that tab will break off. This is the old one. There's two mounting tabs. I don't know if it's the same part and fits on different vehicles or what, but this is the only tab that's used. And visually, I don't think there's really much difference between the two. This is the new one, this is the old one. So go ahead and we'll put the new one up in and put the vent on, connect the electrical connector back up, and see if the code goes away. Have it. That's in. Go ahead and see if we can wipe the code and see if it stays away. Well, I went ahead and cleared the code with my phone. Check engine light is gone. Now I'm just driving around. I guess I should probably actually see how long it's going to take to get the code back up, but just drive around for 5-10 minutes and see what happens. Well, I drove around, started and stopped the truck a few times. I don't really know how to until if the code comes back, reset it and everything. So here at the gas station, I'm gonna get out, go ahead and pump, see, if it shuts off. If it does, I'm gonna have to actually do some testing, but if not, hopefully it'll be fixed. Might be fixed. I don't know. I don't know if it's really fixed or not. Needle didn't really go up to full tank. Didn't shut off like it normally does though. I don't know. I'm not convinced that it's fixed, unfortunately. But start heading back and see if the fuel tank level changes at all. That's not quite full tank. It's close, but I don't know if it actually worked or not. And I don't have any codes yet. There's no pending codes. So, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, well, just got home. On my drive, check engine light came back on. And so I checked it, and it's the O2 sensor one. So, I don't know. Still up in the air about the evap one. This might have to be a two-part video. I've also heard that there's another purge solenoid. I think there's something under the engine that could be bad, or maybe there's a leak somewhere. I don't know. I hate evaporative emissions because it just seems like there's so much that could go wrong. I'm just throwing parts at it. I don't know how to test that, but actually, if you do know how to test something like this, drop something in the comments. Let me know, what I could check out. I'll drive around some more in the meantime, see if the check engine light comes back on, throws up that code. Hopefully it doesn't. Another thing I might have to check, I was reading into it a little bit online. I guess there's actually a technical service bulletin for this issue, and looks like you add like another filter in. I guess another problem could be something in the charcoal canister, or there's a clog along the way. I'm gonna have to do a follow-up video for sure to see actually what happens, but I'll probably have to look more into this and let you guys know what happens next. So I'm gonna pull the truck in and get started on the O2 sensor issue, so I'm gonna start looking into that. I'm sitting outside trying to cool the exhaust down a little bit. So alright, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.